Stop playing. Hellcat. Yeah. The real deal. Hellcat. Stop playing with him. Yeah.
Season, man. You know how we coming, ball _34 SIT. We riding Burt life, baby. Yes, sir. What's happening, YouTube? We back with another episode, man. This one's very exclusive, man. We about to ride on over here, see what Wayne got going on, man. He got the 34s on the Charlie. Man, and they does, man. Spinning. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. That's what I heard. You know what I'm saying? From the grapevine. So we about to see what he cooking up over there. You know what I'm saying? Got them 34-inch floaters. You know what I mean? Ain't too many sets in the world. You know, got them zooms on there. Zoom, 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 zoom. You know what I'm talking about? So, man, he got the Hellcat at that. So we got the horsepower, man. Not no little V6, man, because everybody be trying to say, oh, he got a V6 on big rim. He got a Hellcat. 707. You know what I'm talking about? So we about to go see what he cooking up for Florida Classic. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully he make that Florida Classic with it. New paint job. You already know what it get you. You know what I'm talking about. Interior getting done up. So we're going to see what he cooking. See what Wayne doing, you know what I mean? And see how Florida Classic heat is coming along, man. It's that pressure. It's crunch time. You know what I mean? Crunch time over here, too. But, hey, not about me today. We gonna see what this Charlie talking about. Hellcat, let's go. Let's see. Ride with me. Let's go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yo, boy, niggas and diamonds and Tim should play with that boy. Is not one of them. Rock up, take a L's while I got me a M.
No soy de problemas, mucho menos de...
There y'all have it, man. Y'all got the Dodge Challenger Hellcat at California Upholstery, one of the best upholstery shops in the world. They located close to Los Angeles, California, right there. Getting all done. Everything's getting touched. As you see, it's all gutted. Everything's getting ready for Florida Classic. Hopefully it make it. It's at the paint lab too. So guess what color is going? Drop your comments down low how you think this car is gonna look. Tell me what your color combo think it is. And I might let you reveal it over the next few weeks until the end of November when Florida Classic, you know, you're gonna get the exclusive. You're gonna watch this build come together And then when we get to Florida Classic, I'm gonna give you that one-on-one footage, how it can complete. So drop your comments down below. Tell me how you think he's coming. Wayne ain't playing around. 34s, Hellcat, gut it up, man. $100,000 plus Charlie. I'm gonna show you how he's doing it right here on Von_34 SRT's channel, because that's how we coming. So do not leave your comments to yourself. Drop them down low. Like, share, and subscribe, because you know how we rocking over here already.